Hi, good morning, or Munawasani Fan. Oh my goodness, my hair, I never fixed my hair. But that's okay. Welcome again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm making some breakfast, Chuki's breakfast. What Chuki's usually more or Chuki's people usually eat in the morning or in the Narawas or in the Rokurion or in the Nebwin, which is morning time, lunch time, dinner time, or just before bedtime. So they can eat this kind of food. So I'm gonna try see which one is the most favorite among all these food that my kids like, and I can compare what kind of food my kids like. This one, what do you call this one, boy?
Sausage.
Sausage what? Just sausage? Hmm? Like what kind? American sausage, Portuguese sausage, or what kind of sausage? So I'm just making three. Excuse my hand. This one I'm just making this as a egg salad, pirawa, roll, Hawaiian sweet roll. If you see this one, this is I got this one, a Hawaiian sweet roll bread. If you make it, make your egg salad or tuna sandwich salad, oh, it comes out the bomb. Like my daughter said, it's the bomb. It's so it tastes so good. So this one is just like my own recipe. I usually put in a lot of eggs, but because it's just our breakfast, my children breakfast, I kind of make it fast. So they're hungry and they want to eat it right away already. So this is how it looks like. It's like a Chuki's knockoff, Chuki's Russian pancake, which I call that. I don't put in a lot of eggs, that's why it looks like that. And this one, this is eggs, but I made this as like as one long, like looks like pancake, but this is actually a scrambled egg. And right there, and then that one is what do you call that one, Rupo?
French toast.
That's the French toast. I make some French toast. So that's about it. What I made so far. Oh, and my favorite one, Chuki's breakfast meal in the morning, in the lunchtime, and in the dinner time, and snack biscuit, soft nutrition biscuit. This is a great one. I usually take this on my snack time, and they usually sell this kind of soft biscuit at the Indian store, Korean store, Chinese store. That's where you're gonna find this. But the best one I really like is my Russian pancake. So I'm gonna try and make one salad, egg salad. How is that? Did you ever try this? It's the first time I tried this sandwich like this. So you like one? You like one this one? So um, that's about it. Don't go away because we're still gonna show you guys how we eat it, how we eat the chukbang mukbang dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This whole thing we don't consider it as just breakfast, but we consider this as shout out to Chuki's people. We consider all this food as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We eat it all the time. All right. Please subscribe on the bottom below if you love watching our videos, and thank you. you for watching. Here are my beautiful daughters. They still look pretty no matter what. They shower, they don't shower.
I showered last night.
They still look prettiful. And there's my daughter number 3, which she is my number 6 in the Tatari kids. Look, say hi. Come on.
What the hell is
You
that?
wanna say hi?
Enough syrup.
There's my number 2 daughter, but she's number 3 from Teteri, my children.
Hi.
Say hi, Neos.
Hey, hi.
And then
So.
there's my Kiwi
So.
right there. My
Hey.
Finiji.
So.
She's my Finiji. She's Leho's boss, but she's number 2 from AJ. So we are doing a Chuki's mukbang these are the food Chuki's people, they eat every day, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But don't eat too much so you don't get sugar. So starting off with this number 3 beautiful princess KK, the Mimi's little auntie.
Can I eat?
Okay, how do you eat your chukbang mukbang bread, KK? How do you eat it? Come on.
Here, I'll show it. I'm so hungry.
So there's the number 2.
So
Okay.
good.
Where do you buy those kind of Hawaiian
We
sweet
used the
roll?
Hawaiian sweet roll. We bought it at Winko's, the cheapest place to go to.
You
He's
guys
awesome.
went somewhere?
Yeah.
I want to
this
see you eat all your food near us. Come on. Oh my goodness. Here, your egg. And then my last but not least, my beautiful Kiwi
one. Oh,
Victoria.
Charlie might help with other
My
food too.
smart girl right here. And what you eating with Bo?
Just these 3.
Oh my goodness, that's all you're eating, rice and sausage and ketchup. Ah, you cheater. You ate some of this food too. You ate my egg, you ate my French toast, you ate my egg salad and my Russian Chuki's pancake right there. And right here, these 2 Newas over here. No, the Newas over there.
Mama's done with my food.
Okay, what you guys wanna say on my YouTube channel?
Mama's food is the bomb.
That's it.
And thank you, Mom. I got
Okay,
food in my
Thank you, Mommy.
that's it.
I like the food.
And what else you gonna say? Please support us, subscribe, and click the bell notification button below.
You're already telling them.
No, I did not. What you gonna tell them, folks?
Comment what's your favorite Chuki's food.
What else?
That's all.
What about any other
Like, comment, subscribe. And we'll be back with another YouTube video.
Say it loud.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be back with another YouTube video.
That's
Food.
it. There.
Food video.
Okay, Korean lady, please turn down your volume, please. Hi again. Welcome back to our YouTube channel video. We are going to eat our chukbang, mukbang, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and meal, whatever we call this food. We usually eat it all the time. We don't just consider it as breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but we eat it all the time. Excuse me, turn down your volume, please. So I'm gonna eat along with my daughter, like she get her Russian pancake, salad mixed with egg, and then mixed with scrambled egg inside the pancake, and her bread, and her rice, and no steady. But still good, we still can eat it, and what? So there is 1, 2, and 3. Can I try eat this with you? Are so good. is egg, scrambled egg inside the pancake. Did you ever try that? It's your pancake with your scrambled egg. As usual, as a salad meat. This one is, which one is the one? Oh, this is the salad for like pancake, but I put in the eggs.
A burrito.
Just
not
one.
salad.
Like a burrito egg. Right there. You don't mind me eating with you, Kiki? Mommy makes good pancake. Tastes good. That's so bomb. If you love watching our video, click the button below, subscribe, and notification button. Thank you so much. See you later.